Hello, I'm Kurt Browning, Pasco County Superintendent of Schools, with an update on Hurricane Irma. We all know that hurricane paths can change from one update to the next. Based on what we know now and after consultation with Pasco County emergency operations leaders, we will need to open shelters and schools beginning Friday morning. That means we'll have to close all schools on Friday. All administrative, professional technical, and NMB employees should plan to work on Friday unless you have coordinated with your supervisor. Maintenance employees should coordinate with their respective supervisors regarding their status for Friday. Food service and transportation employees may also be contacted to assist with shelter, evacuation, or other emergency operations during the storm. All sports and extracurricular activities are canceled for Friday and over the weekend. There's a good chance that schools will be closed on Monday due to sheltering requirements, but no decisions have been made in that regard. We will contact everyone on Sunday by phone and email, and will post information on the district and school websites and on district social media sites. We also will notify media as decisions are made. Please continue to make preparations. At schools, move items off of floors to avoid possible destruction from flooding. If you have personal items at work, you may want to take them home with you. Secure your homes and stock up on flashlight batteries, water, and non-perishable foods. And please don't forget your pets. Everyone be safe. We will continue to post updates online and we'll be in touch regarding the status of school next week. Thank you.